Melissa was a young principal. She decided to catch the thief. First, the pens, one by one they disappeared, then calculators went missing, textbooks went astray, leaving shelves half empty. Melissa was puzzled, with nary a clue to spare. And no teacher could figure out who he or she was. Melissa carefully started to watch all students. After another theft, Melissa suspected several students and asked them about what they were doing during the theft.
I got sick and had to leave my last lesson.
I had my Dutch lesson. I am going to Denmark with my parents next week.
I went to an extra piano lesson.
Melissa immediately realized that one of the students was lying. Who was lying? Rick was lying. He said that he studied Dutch because of his trip to Denmark, but it's Danish that is spoken in Denmark. Hope you enjoyed the puzzle. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up. And subscribe to our channel for more videos.